So it's been a while, a few days, and let's have a look now at the markets and see if let's make a quick update here in a few minutes, and let's see what's going on here. It's quite a positive trend for the moment. Walton chain is up 14-15%. You have other ones as well here, which are moving higher as well. Let's see if it's always this problem with the screen if it actually moves lower here. SIA coin, Bitcoin, okay, 5%. That's nice for a big market cap like that. And if we go further on and just have a look at some of the charts here, see what the Bitcoin is doing maybe. We can see on this is the 4 hours, so don't confuse this with the longer term chart. But we're basically getting back up here towards the recent highs, and we'll have to see how we react now. We did have this ABC correction lower, and after that, you know, it started a new uptrend. 1, 2. This is probably the third wave. There will be a fourth, and then a fifth, and then maybe a correction again. We'll see what happens, and you know, where it goes from there and so on. It's certainly interesting to follow the trends here, and we can also see if we look at some other projects here. We have Bitcoin Cash is kind of half dead. You have you know, what else do we have here? PIVX is kind of, it's very stable, a bit erratic up and down here. You have VeChain, again, probably setting up another buy signal here soon, I would assume. We had one here where it moved higher into the sell area, another one here, it moved higher into the sell area, and it looks like it could be setting up another level here. And what is Litecoin doing? Yeah, there's certainly some action here, and we don't just want to focus on the price, of course, but it's kind of exciting. I can't get away from it to have a look at a little bit of the price action as well. But the important thing is to concentrate on projects that actually bring something to the table and that can change the way we live, maybe, or at least bring something positive, or not only price, also other things. These are the top 15 companies for blockchain jobs. This is at least what they're saying here in this crypto here, whatever, article. And so researchers at Tech Atlas have put together a report analyzing the state of blockchain related jobs, and by all accounts they are growing in number and often boost higher pay than the national average. IBM leads the pack, and Oracle comes second. Amazon is a major employer within the blockchain industry as well, and I mean, I guess these are the stock, like the listed names in the stock market as well. And so if you look at this, you can see that apparently this is what they're saying. I mean, there's no way really to check this if this is actually true, but Coinbase, we know, right? That's a big exchange. It's possible they have a few guys hanging around there. Ripple and blockchain, I think this is a kind of wallet, kind of get your MasterCard kind of thing as well. I don't know if they took it away or if it's still available. And of course Kraken, this was one of the first exchanges. This was I think it's in San Francisco, and so that's an interesting name. And you know, there's some guys behind that as well that have been in blockchain from almost the beginning. What's his name? Trevor Meyer or something. And so I mean, it's just, yeah, some companies to look for in case you're looking for some hot jobs in this area. And the Goldman Sachs building up blockchain team. Another private token is coming, or what? That is the question. Yeah, they might be looking into launching their own cryptocurrency, and yeah, there's a bunch of things going on with different projects, I guess, now with with Facebook as well looking into this Libra coin, and but it probably will take some time. And even here it says Facebook official David Marcus writes to the U.S. Congress about Libra, and I guess they want it that they should work quicker than the regulators can work, maybe. Winklevoss brothers are optimistic about Libra. Okay, that's of course they are positive guys. It seems they want to push most of the projects basically in this space, and I mean they had Winklevoss. They were one of the first ones in the crypto space back in the days, and I forget where they invested in bitcoins, but it was pretty early on, I think. Twins and the owners of the US-based cryptocurrency exchange Gemini have expressed their positive attitude towards Facebook's coin Libra. They believe that the tech giant is in an excellent position to succeed with its project. Moreover, the whole cryptocurrency industry will benefit from Libra's success. Libra is very positive for crypto. Accompany the stature of Facebook talking about cryptocurrencies demystifies the word. This makes no sense at all. Yeah, what else are they saying here? I better read this beforehand. They're saying our prediction is every FANG company will have some sort of a cryptocurrency project within the next 2 years. He added, and of course, FANG is just an abbreviation for Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. I almost forgot the last one. So FANG is a common name to use for those guys. Yeah, so Gemini, there we go. Sapien, now available on Kyber Network, which is the leading on-chain liquidity protocol. This is what they say, at least. Kyber Networks, and this we went over this monkey Sapien here. Actually, should probably be a Homo sapiens or something, and not not a monkey or whatever that is. Let's see what. Just a quick. Let me have a quick look here. Just what they're saying. And to date, the platform supports over 70 different tokens. They're obviously talking about Kyber here, and they're just explaining here Sapien as well, a social news platform that gives users more control of their social experience, is thrilled to announce that SPN is now available on Kyber Network. And we can see here that they're saying the same thing here. Kyber is glad to support Sapien's mission to be a decentralized social network that gives users control over their data, fights fake news, and rewards content creators. With the Kyber widget, Sapiens users are now able to purchase SPN directly on their platform using 70 plus tokens in a convenient and decentralized manner. Shane, marketing manager at Kyber Network. So okay, that's good if this works, fighting these fake news and established media outlets where everything is so centralized, and where it's hard to even watch TV these days sometimes, when you know the news is just so sometimes badly put together. Although people work there, they're probably mostly good doing their job, but that's not what we're talking about. Kyber widget, yeah. So there's this whole platform is just like a way to potentially spread more news or better news, more true news, what we should call it, not controlled and not so much controlled potentially. And we'll see how that works out. It would be nice if there would be more projects like this, like decentralized Facebook, Google or something, or I don't know, maybe not. Yeah, well, at least the social media stuff, and just to basically to compare how it is to use and how if it's an improvement actually over a centralized way, which it could very well be. So we need to get some good projects in this space and then use it and see how we like it. And let's see here. Banks adopt the blockchain. How banks will utilize blockchain tech. I mean, this could be interesting to go into more in detail actually, because I think banks can actually benefit from this technology in maybe more than one way. A lot of startups came flooding in at some point, 2008 and so on, and provided mobile-first banking solutions, UI and UX friendly, but the issue of human error was there. So Bitcoin was created to decentralize the financial world, but this isn't stopping banks. Research the new digital asset and take advantage of its infrastructure to further their systems. This is something I guess they have been using Ripple a bit for kind of like Swift, but there's probably more to be done, maybe in the trading avenues or something like this. And of course, yeah, well, I guess maybe one of the major things for banks is also this payment system. I think JP Morgan even mentioned this. Yeah, I think that's it for now. I've been babbling enough now for a few minutes. So enjoy it, and until the next time.